Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Valley Cafe. I'm Anne. Do you often say I meet with my friends? If you do, let's talk about that today. In this video, I'm going to go over the difference between the verb meet and meet up. These two are different and they're used differently. So I often ask students, what did you do over the weekend? And students will reply, I meet with my friends. So we don't say meet with friends, but rather meet up. So when we socialize with friends, when you get together with friends, we say meet up. So here the pronunciation is meet up, meet up. So if you are telling somebody, oh, this weekend I met up with some friends and we went to a coffee shop. So here are some ways that you can use meet up. And this is just an informal way that we usually use in speaking to say that we get together with friends, we socialize. So for example, I can say, I'm meeting up with my college friend for lunch tomorrow. I'm meeting up with my college friend for lunch tomorrow. Or if you want to invite someone to have lunch, you can say, let's meet up for lunch tomorrow. Let's meet up for lunch tomorrow. We could use this in the past tense and said, he met up with his dad for brunch. He met up with his dad for brunch. Or you can even ask someone like, hey, do you have time to meet up next week? Do you have time to meet up next week? Now let's talk about the verb meet. So we use meet to talk about seeing someone for the first time. You don't know this person before, but you know them or you meet them for the first time. So a common expression that we all know is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. So this is a very useful expression and common one that we say to the other person when we meet them for the first time. Nice to meet you. Another way that we can use meet is in the past tense met to talk about how we got to know someone, how we met someone for the first time. So for example, he met his girlfriend through a mutual friend. Okay, he met his girlfriend through a mutual friend. So this is talking about how he first met his girlfriend. Or we met a friendly couple on the plane. We met a friendly couple on the plane. Another common use of the verb meet is when we talk about people coming together at a location. So this is often used when we are making an appointment with someone. We want to let them know that let's meet at this place. So for example, let's meet at the hotel lobby at 5 o'clock. So there is a difference between meet and meet up. So next time if you're going to talk about socializing or getting together with friends, say I'm going to meet up with my friends. I'm going to meet up with my friends this weekend. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And in the meantime, check out these videos over here for more phrasal verbs to talk about, to get together with friends. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you back here next week for a new lesson. Bye.